Happy New Year everyone! It's Kat here and welcome back to another video. Today is year 2020 and color of the year is classic blue. Yes! So last year is Leaving Coral, which I did this look right here, which all of you guys appreciated. Thank you so much. And wala siyang tutorial, pero yun nga yung mga comments nyo on that post. Sobrang nakaka-touch kasi it was out of the blue. Ginawa ko lang siya. Sabi ko, what if I'll do some look every year, depending on the color every year. So the butterfly concept on this look was inspired by Katt Legaspi. But if you haven't followed her on Instagram, please do check it out. She's one of my favorite artists and sobrang galing niya talaga. As in, even the details, guys, like, tingnan nyo naman yung details ko, diba? Wala pa ako dun sa level niya. So, but I'm happy how it turned out. And I hope you guys too. So, yep, wala na patagalin pa. Let's start with the video.
I can't help thinking you'll be there. Oh, I keep falling back, acting so damn insecure. Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why are you here in the back of my mind? Maybe I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do it just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just hate the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones, I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. As I'm lying in bed, I can't help wishing you'll be here. I put breath on my neck, whisper that I do your best. I toss and I turn till 4 in the morning, sleepless in these empty sheets. If you were here, you can come to my mind. I know I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do me just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only.
And it's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss out any of my videos. Okay? And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!
Space, you know how to do me just right.